So we're gonna do a little review on the projectors, the install with the H1 HIDs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same routine I went and rode with when I had the LEDs and the stock halogen bulb. And we're going to see what the difference is.
So here is the LED, the halogen, and the projector HIDs. The projector HIDs are way brighter, as you can see.
Turn around. Low beams. Look at that. Just beautiful. High beam. Low beam. Now if y'all are curious, let's do just the daytime running lights. Let's see how that looks like. Let me slow down a little bit just in case it gets really dark. There's the daytime running lights. So it's yeah, I mean, I'm having a hard time seeing. I can see a few feet in front of me. Yeah, it's definitely not safe to run those at night. I can't see nothing at all. Turn those back on. I mean, it was a lot of work getting these things in, but they are so worth it. I mean, if the bike came with these stock, it would be awesome. Now, I love the color of them, getting around how much of an improvement they are. Now, if they were LEDs instead of HIDs, would they still look this good? I don't know. But you could still stick H1s in these LEDs instead of the HIDs. I mean, if I had the choice, I would have put LEDs instead of HIDs in them, because it's just a lot easier to wire, less crap. But I'm glad I did it. I can see way better at night. I mean, totally better. So what does Simple Simon think? Well, I think if you're doing lots of driving at night, this might be something you wanna do, because they are a definite improvement over stock. Now, if you can take the headlight off of the new 2020 what is it, the H2, the ZH2, or the Z900, and those look really good, I don't know if I like the look of them. I'd have to see it in person. I mean, these, in the beginning I was like, oh, they look a little like eyeballs, but I mean, that's how projector lights look. But it with the halo and the green, does give a great look to it. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.